Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. As you can see on the big tree, the wind is blowing very strong, and these days where I made the shooting range footage. So I became the idea to record some footage to show you how the F550 flies at these circumstances. Later I found out the wind was blowing up to 40 km per hour. As you can see, the DJI F550 with the recommended settings flies very well in these conditions. The gusts hit the DJI F550 sometimes very hard, but the NAZA-M stabilized it very perfectly. Now the battery goes low and I decided to land. Would be great if you leave some comments and questions in the comment sections below. If you enjoyed the video, give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. It's for free. That's it. Thanks for watching and I will see you.